Yo, what's up guys? This is the first vlog. I literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago, so this is me. I wouldn't say completely fresh out of sleep. My hair is still kind of a mess. My face feels naked because it doesn't have anything on it. But I don't care, I wanted to film this, so. My piano's over here, all fancy, like and stuff. It's right here, right there. And then here's my bow. This is my bow. I like my bow. This bow got this right here. Isn't he freaking fancy? He's so fancy. He's got big ears though. Dude, this hair right here is like attacking my face. It's attacking my face. Oh. Okay. What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? And he likes to snuggle with me when he wants to be good. Yeah, he's my snuggle buddy. Do it. Do my shoe's untied. My God, why do you tie so tight?
I don't know. Piss off. Ow. 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 Piss off, Nosey.
Thanks, Weston. Back on my head. Are those raspberries?
Yeah, it's not rotten.
I look like shriveled up.
Eat it.
I'm good.
You want some?
Mm.
You want some, mate? You like a raspberry?
Would you leave me alone? Stop! Stop it! You're on camera. Say hi.
Hello.
He's not gonna put you in the water, Wes. Chill. I don't think he's that bad of a driver.
He's gonna slam on that.
He's gonna slam on the reverse. Look at the skunk, like right back
Dude,
there.
that is not. Okay, I can't. What was that?
I don't know.
Okay,
I
that's
think
either
it sounded like
reed
a
or it's an actual stone.
Oh,
it's
I
an
thought that noise.
It was. What is that?
Come on, Wes.
Piss off. Piss off, Noisy. I'm trying to eat some fucking food.
Hey guys.
What's up?
What are you eating?
Piss off. Chips.
It's chips. Nails on feet, boy. You know.